Hi guys, I'm Kuda Christine and welcome to my very first Vlogmas episode 1. Guys, please do subscribe, stay tuned because I'm definitely participating. So yeah, just finished church as you have seen already.
There's just something about your name. There's just something about your name. He was able to see God.
And I realized I want to cook lunch today and I want to specifically make butter chicken, but I don't have the right meat, you know. I don't have the right chicken pieces, so I'm going to the store now to just get chicken breasts. Yeah, so guys, let's go. Let me close the windows.
The alarm rings in dead of night. Low clouds outside weigh the roofs down. Cold buses rattle before light. Wet brake lights crawl across downtown, waiting for July. When the sea is blue, under summer sky, mountains sing so true. Fills up fast each day. Crowds drift along past my desk still. My tasks pile up and papers stray. Plans wait in line despite goodwill, waiting for July. When the sea is blue, under summer sky, so true. I shuffle late with bags to home. Kids cough inside, taps drip all night. Walls tremble, neighbors party late. Worn eyes burn past midnight again, waiting for July. When the sea is blue, under summer sky, mountains sing so true. Waiting for July. Waiting for July. The alarm rings in dead of night. Low clouds outside weigh the roofs down. Cold buses rattle before light. Wet brake lights crawl across downtown, waiting for July. When the sea is blue, under summer sky, mountains sing so true. Fills up fast each day. Crowds drift along past my desk still. My tasks pile up and papers stray. Plans wait in line despite goodwill, waiting for July. When the sea is blue, under summer sky, so true.
Hi guys, so I just finished eating as you saw. Now I'm about to do my laundry because I have got maybe 2 loads in total. And after that I want to catch up on work. Not necessarily catch up, but yeah, I want to start on a clean slate tomorrow, which is a Monday. So guys, let's go.
Waiting for July, when the sea is blue, under summer sky, mountains sing so true.
I just finished all the other stuff I needed to get done today, except for the part that I have been dragging the most, but it has to be done. But I'm gonna start off by just prepping for the week. So I'll show you what I usually do. This really does help me keep track. You'll see this was for last week. So it's a weekly planner, I guess. Yeah, it is the weekly plan. When I get something done, I scratch it out, and it feels like you're doing something. And this I find very, very helpful. So I'm going to be swiping right, and I'm going to just date this week's Sunday too. I like to start from Monday to Sunday, right? Those kind of things. Or writing it down allows me to think about it, and do trade-offs. Like, okay, if my Saturday is busy, my Sunday has got to not be busy, And as things creep in, I write them down, or I plan better for it, and I try to see where I can fit it in. Now I'm just gonna do my work. My work also is in bullet form, so I need to check 4 stuff today, and they're all pertaining to this one ticket. So yeah, guys, let's get to work. So I'm starting off with my emails. I already see that there's one that I didn't respond to because it came through on Friday late. Then we also have a timesheet at work, so I just need to fill this in before it closes me off for the previous week, right? So if you don't know, a timesheet is just a sheet that you put in the hours that you worked, right, and what exactly you worked on that made you to, or that amounted to the hours that you're logging in. So guys, that is done. Now I'm just gonna get to the actual work. But yeah, I think that's pretty much my day as a software developer. This is how I basically spend my Sundays. After this, I'm just gonna go chill. Chilling for me means watching a movie or just scrolling on social media. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And you saw how much food I cooked, so there's definitely enough for supper. That's what I'm gonna eat, and maybe have snacks here and there. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. So guys, please do subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button if you haven't, or if you did like the video, please definitely leave your comment down below. It helps promote the video. And guys, we are on our way to 500 subscribers. Please do hit the subscribe button, and yeah, share if you think a friend might want to watch. Hey guys, stay tuned because I'm definitely in on the Vlogtober, or not Vlogtober but Vlogmas trend. I will be dropping a video every single day on basically what I get up to. If it's not a long video, do look out for the shorts, which are the shorter videos, right? Yeah guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for getting this far into the video. If you did, please comment with a thumbs up. Yeah guys, see you in my next video. Bye.